Okay, I have my Samsung Galaxy S2 here, 1.2 gigahertz on Bell Mobility. It's unlocked and I used it with another provider, and the problem I have is that it won't turn on. So I have this battery right here, which is the original one, and I thought, since it doesn't charge or turn on, I thought maybe this battery was fried or whatever. So I bought a new battery from eBay, and it was fully charged when I got it, and I put it in the phone and it worked. Let me just take this out. So this is the battery, and I put it in the phone and it worked. It was fully charged. So then I used it again, and I went to school and stuff, and it died again. So then I was like, okay, I went home to charge it and it wouldn't charge again. So then the phone wouldn't charge or turn on again. So I had to go and give both these batteries to a friend who has a Samsung Galaxy S2, and then he charged them both for me. But then as soon as I put them both in, it still doesn't turn on. So when I bought this battery, the new one from eBay, it was already charged, and I put it into the phone and I held the power button and it worked. And it turned on and it worked everything like new. And also I put a charger in to see if it charged, and it also charged. But then once the battery died, it doesn't want to turn on or charge again. So if you guys know how to fix this issue, I've been having it for a while and I can't turn on my phone. I've already tried hard reset and soft reset, and that's all that I could really try, and there's nothing else that I know of that would work. So if you guys can help me out, please comment on the video and help me out. So thank you.